London's point blank music school studio sessions.
Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. My name's Henry.
And I'm Sadis, and this is where we bring you some of the hottest talent straight from Point Blank Music School. And today we have alternative hip hop group TINT.
Yeah. Oh, na 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 na, yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Listen. Why was I running from fear? I've got questions why none of this ends in a win. It's a process, get focusing on what's within. People say with progress you'll notice the man within. Man in the mirror, reflecting me clearer. I'm counting my blessings so my wounds will heal quicker. I'm fighting my demons just to make my skin thicker. Still time marches on, yet the vision gets clearer. I can feel your omission, I saw you diminish. My conscience tried to take a hold. I can't live with this feeling, I won't live with this burden. I can't live with these demons, it can't be good for my healing. This can't be good for my aura. What am I doing? Where am I going? I done gone, took the long road following fear. This time it won't interfere. Should've never let it get this far following fear. Brother, this is your year, when did shit get real? Legs won't go no further, ducking on my lows. Still life won't get no better, I'm out here on my own. Cause I can't go, gotta stop running from my ghosts. Cause I can't take no more. I learned the facts in a state of mind that I weren't alright with. Loved ones believe me, still I was a write-off. Lost my confidence, used to be so resilient. Like looking back, the younger me had so much vision inside. Had too much dreaming in mind, had too much vision inside. This industry took its toll, had no pennies inside. Challenging my humanity, complicated with vanity. I can feel my humanity morphing into insanity. That's the thing with this rap game. Everybody wants their own slice of this rap fame. Less about the music, how quirky is your rap name? But what about your movement? Do you even want to make a change? I changed my approach. Speak to the people, I wanna tell them my story. I wanna show them we're equals. We can learn from each other, through this we learn to be equals. Man, I'm done feeling feeble, I'm done fighting evils. When did this shit get real? Raw, hey. Yeah, shit got real to the core. Yeah, shit got real to the core. Yeah, shit got real, shit got real. When did this shit get done with the lies? Run no more, I've been fighting my mind, still trying to find a core. Yet this don't sit right, I'm still trying to find more light. Shit got real, it's so real. Hey, legs won't go no further, ducking on my lows. Still life won't get no better, I'm out here on my own. I can't go, gotta stop running from my ghost. Cause I can't take no more running from my ghost. Legs won't go no further, ducking on my lows. Still life won't get no better, I'm out here on my own. From my ghost. This.
Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. Today we have TINT with us. We couldn't quite get a sofa here in time, unfortunately, so we've had to make do. We've got a botched job. How are you guys doing?
All good, yeah, all good, yeah,
You guys
yeah.
sounded amazing tonight.
Thank you very much, yeah.
It's really good, really, really good.
We loved it.
You guys are such a diverse group as well. Like,
Yeah.
it would never pick you out in the crowd and put you guys together. So like, that's the band, but it works really, really well.
Yeah, it's not all of us though. We've got two others,
Okay.
guitarist, lead guitarist, and keys.
Yeah.
The keys, we actually, like all three of us met at Point Blank in 2017, actually in engineering class.
Sick.
So yeah, no. And then Miranda, I met her through theatre. So I do a little bit of engineering at a theatre.
Oh wow.
And for the first show I did, she was the starting act. and then I just fell in love with her talent since then, and I brought her in.
That's dope.
So yeah,
So
yeah.
what's it like making music together as such a diverse group? Like when you guys go in the studio, like what's that process like?
It started off with just me and the bassist Brian, just using samples and playing a bit of keys and production. Then I said Miranda to come in and put some violin on it. We had already had the concept of violin strings.
Yeah.
Like a few of the productions had a lot of strings involved. So I
was gonna say there's nothing like some live strings on a track.
Yeah, exactly. I think every track that I've ever produced has an element of strings in it, just because it sounds so elegant and it kind of fills the space. So it's a blessing having Miranda on the group as well. So
Because you're so diverse, is there ever musical differences, ever fruit thrown about, or like
I think
screaming at each other?
Oh no, I think
I feel like it's gonna get to the point where Johnny and I are just gonna have to shred it. Just gonna go full on shredding.
It seems like you're all like proper on the same wavelength and everything.
Yeah, it's very lucky actually, to be honest. Like we're in a group of like everyone's down to earth, everyone's really like mellow and similar backgrounds in the sense, because everyone's from different like countries, apart from actually Johnny and Billy, but they're just so down to earth. Like Brian's like Chilean and grew up in Switzerland. I'm African, you know, raised in Zimbabwe, and grew up here. And you're Spanish and English.
Amazing.
Yeah, so it's just kind of
all comes
merge.
together.
Yeah, we all merge together, and just everyone's quite similar.
And you played quite a few gigs now around London.
Yeah.
The Troubadour, is it, which is quite like a legendary venue. We wanted to know if you could pick any like festival to headline, any venue to sell out. What would it be? What would be like the dream?
I've got, two main ones personally. I would either go Love Supreme, mainly because there's just such crazy artists there in terms of the style of music we do, and Glasgow purely because it's amazing.
Because it's Glasgow.
Because it's
Glasgow. I don't know about these guys. Do you have any?
Yeah, I mean, I'm from Switzerland, so Montreux Jazz Festival for us is a really huge deal. It's not only jazz; they're bringing more hip hop music, even dance. So that'd be a great one. Apart from obviously Glasgow as well. Yeah, or maybe some like rock festival. I don't know. Anything.
I feel like Glastonbury is just the pinnacle, isn't it? Everyone just has to be there. It's like the dream for anybody.
Yeah. I mean, purely because I just realised like I haven't really been in touch with what Glasgow is all about, but I heard it's one of the biggest festivals in the world, I think. Yeah,
and oldest
definitely.
as well, I think. Like going back.
Yeah, so just to even be part of like, you know, the artist group in that kind of environment would be amazing. So yeah, that would be a blessing to do. And plus Stormzy, he comes from my town, Croydon, so I would love to be one of the other Croydoners to get
Croydon boys.
get a stage. Yeah.
So you guys have known each other for a few years now, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you guys since 2017, and how long have you guys known each other?
Similar. Yeah, 2017. Yeah.
We're gonna test you lot's knowledge on how well you guys know each other.
Oh, right then.
And we're gonna do a quick fire round.
Right.
And I guess kind of just what we're gonna do fingers in the air. Budgets are low around here. We couldn't afford whiteboards, but we're just gonna fire it at you
if
guys.
If you know the answer for somebody else, then go for it, and we'll see if you get it right.
How connected we are.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, each other's favorite studio snack. You're in the studio. It's late night.
What's people eating? What's Brian snacking on?
It would be like some sort of like chocolate bar, maybe.
In the vending machine.
Like some chocolate
That's a good
bar
clue.
Or something like that.
You're Swiss.
Yeah.
So you're living it. It's got to be
Right,
chocolate.
let's go with it.
Who's the most likely to be late to class? Straight in there.
I have been a little bit late.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I try my best to.
PC time.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you guys most likely to argue about as a group? What's that one thing you guys never agree on?
what key a track is in or something like that. Like during rehearsal or something, and we're trying to like sort of nail it before a performance. We'll probably just be like, oh, what key is this in? Yeah, that's probably that we don't argue. That's the thing.
Who usually gets it right though? Oh, okay, because I was looking.
Miranda's the most classically trained. So Miranda and Billy
She's
are
got
like.
that ear.
Yeah.
You're the mastermind.
He's like, yeah, I'll take that. I'll
Yeah.
take that.
Last one. Who takes the longest to get ready before a gig?
It's just all the pedals. I can't.
Yeah, and her mohawk. She always has to have like a massive mohawk. Like.
No way. Where's the mohawk today?
I actually messaged the group chat and I asked, are we going to wear headphones? Because you can even check it on the messages.
Pigtails or mohawk?
Yeah.
It's one or the other. Yeah,
We're gonna have to come. I'm coming to a gig purely to see the mohawk now.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
the
still
music's great,
growing.
but yeah. Right, that's it.
Wicked.
That's
Yeah,
all we got
man.
time for.
That was another Point Blank studio session here with Tink and Tint.
Tint, yeah,
I'm
Tint.
Sadis,
And I'm Henry.
and that's it for today. London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions.